500. I give you warning yesterday. If you look my video yesterday, you will find the answers. So it exactly happened today. And then I will also discuss with you TTD and BABA analysis. Earlier today, Stock with Josh, who I really respect as a trader, mentioned in his video that this could be a good buying opportunity for TTD. Personally, based on my chart analysis, I think we might still see a pullback before a better entry. So while I respect his call, I'm just sharing my perspective here for my viewers. So it's going to be very interesting. I will explain the chart, how I see a chart for TTD and BABA. And then I will discuss with you SMCI, swing trade, IQ, Wells Fargo, and Citigroup. So let's begin. So this is your show, Trade with Harp, and here I will discuss with you all the swing trades and market updates. So welcome to the channel. My dear brother and sister, I start with the name of God. Let's begin. So first, S&P 500. If you watched my video yesterday, I give you a warning sign here that there is no room because we have a wedge pattern. Earlier we discussed already, this is an inverse head and shoulder patterns. But in yesterday, this candle was not there yesterday, and I was trying to explain there is no room because it's a wedge pattern. Either we have to gap up or come down. So we gap up, but since the morning we start selling off. So there's many reasons, but we all selling all day here. If I open you a 15-minute chart, you can see clearly here what I'm talking to you guys. So gap up, you can see a gap up here. As I discussed, predict according to my chart analysis, either we have to gap up or come down. So luckily we did both. We gap up and all the way came down here. So this is my first analysis, and in my second opinion, we keep selling as we predicted earlier. And let me open my 50 EMA. So this is going to be happen. This is a 50 EMA, and this going to be somewhere, come here and get a dip and go back. So this is another, I discussed earlier already in the video, so you can go back and check my video in the detail. I will only discuss here a new concepts. So let's go back to my another, let me open the slides one more time. Sorry. So here we have, so this is everything go down today. And the reason I already explained you, the rally, because we are selling chips back to China. That's bring the rally in the semiconductors and AI stocks. But there's a mixed earning, and this several missed and other earnings are great. So there is a miss and match. That's why market going off. We discuss further in the later. And then, so let's go to the chart, TTD and BABA analysis. So this is TTD. If I show you my chart here, let me turn off this one off for you so you can have a clear idea. So here I want to show you one thing, how I do my chart analysis. I use these indicators, support and resistance, VWAP, Bollinger's Band, EMA crossover, chandelier exits, and then I use Ichimoku clouds, and I use also triple EMAs. So let me turn off here so it will not be confusing. Now we're here. So this is a TTD. We got the news and we were here. This is the gap up. If you will see, this is my trend line from the low in the August 24. This point, this from the April, and so on. So this is the line exactly where is we gap up. We go all the way up here, and this is a trend line. As you see from here, so there is no room. There's a wedge. It's a wedge pattern, so there's no room. We go up, and because we follow the trend here, and if we will not follow the trend, it should go up here and keep going up. So according to the trend, according to the chart, my trading is all charts, no guessing, nothing. So what my chart's telling me, that's why I have some little explained you earlier in the video, in the beginning of the video. I'm not agree, but I do respect his chart analysis all the time. So this is my trend line, and now you see we gap up here and start selling right from there. So we go there, come back here, and there's many people who already bought here, here, here. They want to sell all the way back here. So from here, my assumptions, we're going back to here 72. We're getting a support like a 72 or 70. So where I will personally buy when there's a pullback, not here, not in the 80, not 75, nothing. I will buy at 70 or 72. Here's my opinions that we're going coming back here. So this is my TTD, and I also want to explain you here what's the difference between BABA and TTD. So here in BABA, this is my trend line. Same we have on another chart. So this is my higher on October 2024. So from here, this is my trend line. Again, as we have in a TTD, again we have another trend line here, and this third trend line from the lower of the January 2025. So what's the difference here? I can clearly see a room here in this trend line. So BABA, in my chart predictions, it will go up from here. So let me see the numbers for you. Let me grab my chart analysis from other computer so I can find the exact best guess. So BABA jumped 8% and re-entering a wedge pattern, as we see here. The next target is 122. So you will be a next target. This rally, TTD rally, is stopped in my chart analysis, but in BABA we still have a room to go. So I would say is go 122, and people who know me, they can ask if you want me a swing trade entry right here. I can send me a message in a comment box or in a Discord a channel. I will make a swing trade, the possible entries. Because when people say to you buy, so its price is 117 or 116 and you start buying, this is the way the stock market will not work. You have to go to chart and you precise your entry by using lower time frame, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and all these indicators as I discussed earlier. So these indicators, even if you use one indicator, like if you don't want to use, okay, here in my trading videos, I don't only give you updates. I want to make you enable so you can take your decision by yourself without me in future. So if you don't want to use any indicator, like this is another way of trading. So just open this indicator, support and resistance. I open my indicators. Here you say all the indicators turn on right now, and chart is daily. So where's the support here? I found it on BABA 109. In the daily day, if you want to wait few days, this will be a price to buy 109. And then, or can say 4 hour. Let's get better entry. In the 4 hour, I can see the entry is 1110. So simple. So buy here. I will buy here 1110, and I will sell at 122 is my next target, and that should be, you can see here what I'm talking about exactly. So when I said 122, I didn't see this resistance. So I will buy here. So people who already bought here, they will sell there. And who people buy, this is what we call swing trades. So people buying here and go up here, and some sell here, some keep waiting, and some sell over here, 128. So my first resistance will be 122. If I will buy at 111 here, and then I go up here, I will sell my 30% or 50% at 122, and rest I will sell at 128, 130, and so on. So this is the way. You don't need to use any Bollinger's Band. You don't, if you, every indicator increase your credibility, increase the percentage of success. If you, I'm just giving you another way of trading, who people don't like to, they are confused with that indicators. They can use only one indicator and use daily or 4-hour chart and do your trading successfully. This is, again, this, I'm not your financial advisors, so please do your own research. I give you my best advice. So this is I do, and I can tell you what I do. So this is the analysis. I hope you understand why TTD has no room to go up and why BABA have a room to go up. You can see, follow exactly the trend lines. So my viewers, please wait for TTD, and if you want me to give you swing trade, just send me a message in our Discord channel. And on the BABA, I would say 1111, but if you want more precise entry, you're welcome to send me a message. So this is my channel come from. I always try share my swing trades where I buy. I share same exactly with my viewers without any hiding or nothing FOMO. So this is, I want to make also give you how I find these numbers, how I read my chart. So you, next time you don't need me, you can do by yourself. And this will be my real like and real subscription if you will learn and start doing by yourself. That will be my real like. Only liking my video will not help your trading, my brother and sisters. Okay, here you go. Next is, let's go next. So time is limited. Go to next slide. SMCI, IQ, Wells Fargo. I will explain you very quickly. SMCI. I give you swing trade. If you look my channel, I give you exact price to buy. If you look this is my Discord channel. I give you I give you yesterday S&P 500 warning. Exactly happened. I give you Bitcoin going down yesterday. Why? This is, you can see in my video. And I give you SMCI swing trades. Okay. I give you swing trade for Solana. Is working right now very well. It was yesterday. It was on on 10th. I give you this trade, swing trade. You can check my entries. If you bought the entry at the same price, you are in a green today. And if you will see, where's my SMCI? Yeah, here you go. I give you SMCI swing trade on, what date is this? Here you go. So I give you the entry. If you look my video and check my entries, and today you will see a green. I give you a swing trade for BBAI, QBTS, Rigetti, and IREN. If you entry in these, they still didn't come yet. So this didn't come yet, but it will become in one because my swing trade is from 3 to 5 or 7 days. So this will come back. If you look at IREN, I also show my proof. I bought the same price. I sell here. This is my MP. This is my APMX profit. This is my IREN profit. So you can see here. So on. I don't want to show off. Just want to explain to you. I give you what I do. I give you the same trade. Okay. Anyway, so let's go back to the SMCI. So if I open SMCI here, my dear brothers and sisters. So if we go daily chart, I go explain you very quickly. I'm gonna, okay. If you will see here, this is a, I maybe turn off the, it's okay. I hope it didn't bother you. This is my box theory. I also use a box theory as well, not only indicators. So when I make those analysis, I use box theory, I use indicators. Any indicator is possible that's increase the efficiency. So if you will see here, my dear brothers and sisters, 3 candles, green, 1, 2, 3, boom. And this is go up, and then the consolidations. So this is the date I give you my swing trades because I see the bull flag. This is technically a bull flag. And then we go all the way up here. So what's the problem next here? What is here? 67. That's not, our reason it's not here because a daily chart. Maybe if you 4 hour you can see the resistance. So my next resistance will be here. Let me pull up one more time. I'll give you let me check my notes very quick so I don't give you any wrong informations. SMCI Citigroups. Yeah, bull flag moved to 55 and 92, and the next major heavy resistance 58.50. Right, I will use my selling target here 58.50 right there, and then I will buy back again when it's come to back to check the resistance here. This one, this will be first. This was a resistance. Now it's a support. So I'll buy back again under 50 and sell at 58. So this is my plan. So as you see the resistance level here, this is how I make those strategies for you guys. Let's go back to SMCI. Then I go to Wells Fargo, and one more good trade is IQ. Give you IQ. So this is like IQ is forming a bull flag, and we have inverse head and shoulder patterns. And what I'm seeing in my chart, the resistance is $1.98. But the it will go up. 1 second. Let me. Yeah. So my target here, if you want me to if you want me exact swing trade strategies, I can also make for you, but you need to send me a message, a comment box if you need it. So my target from here, this is really a good, I can see a really clearly a very good inverse head and shoulder pattern. I see a bull flag, and I see a trend line, I see a resistance, and my next target easily $2.13 right here somewhere. So, and this will be my next swing trade is coming. And then I want to explain you what happened with the Wells Fargo. And let me see. Yeah, Wells Fargo have a beat EPS, but the cut guidance resistance is $78.86. And then we have Citigroup. Citigroup beats earning. Let me open the Citigroup map here. Sorry, it's a little confusing. So many stocks here. Let's hang on. TTD, Wells Fargo. Yeah, here you go. So you can see again good swing trade, and my target for Citigroup will be next 123. Right now is $91. Again, if you will say buy, I don't want to say buy because I don't want you to buy right there, and then I will buy at the pullback. And if you want more precise entries, I can help you. And my next level will be 123. You can guys see this $91. You can easily get $30 in a trade. So if you will use proper chart analysis, you do use your indicators, make your entry precise, swing trades is a more effective. Then I think we discussed everything here. So I'm sorry for the long video today because I have to discuss some major points, and in this, because the video is long, I couldn't give you exact price to buy and sell as I always do. So God bless you. Have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.